Friends, in this video I am going to tell you how you can create own shortcut key in MS Office. So first of all, you need to go to File and then click on this Options. After that you will see these options. You need to select on this Customize ribbon. Now at the bottom you can see Keyboard Shortcuts. Now click on Customize. Herein you can select anything. Let me select this Blog Post tab. And you can see in bold you can see shortcut key Ctrl+B. So you can select any command which does not have any key. So I'll select this clear all formatting, and it does not have any key. So let me press any key like Ctrl 9. Make sure to press Ctrl and 9 at once. Now after that you need to click on this button Assign and click on Close and OK. So herein I will click on bold and italic and underline. Now I will press Ctrl 9 and see what happens. So all formatting is now clear. So I hope friends now you will be able to create your own command. In case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and subscribe my channel for similar videos. Bye bye friends, take care.